good to see you again. So, what I'm doing now is selling and installing artificial turf. I know it might sound kind of weird, like what is artificial turf? Artificial turf is fake grass that goes down on people's lawns. It's being used in about half the NFL stadiums, it's being used in parks and other areas. Why would I use artificial turf? Because artificial turf saves you on costly water bills. It saves you from having to mow your lawn during the hot summer days. And it also allows you to have green grass 365, 24/7. It's a great alternative from eliminating wasting water and also helps you go green to help the environment. In a lot of areas, there's actually tax rebates and credits that you can get depending on where you live for installing artificial turf. That is why I've started my company installing artificial turf around in people's yards and also at parks and other recreational areas.